A new act passed through the state legislature could soon ban a certain type of pesticides all throughout New York.
This is one of our kale varieties.
Farmers in western New York are all aiming for the same thing, a healthy harvest season. But sometimes pests can ruin weeks of hard work, so some farmers turn to neonicotinoid pesticides. These are marketed to be as non-toxic as possible to protect both crops and humans.
These treated seeds are often used as like an insurance policy. In case there is a pest infestation, they can combat it, below ground.
Both chambers of the New York State Legislature have now passed the Birds and Bees Protection Act. This is a first of its kind act in the country that would ban all neonicotinoid pesticides, citing needs for environmental conservation.
If farmers don't have these treated seeds available for their use, then they're going to have to look elsewhere for proper pesticides. And typically that means older pesticides, potentially more toxic pesticides, and it will mean more spraying.
According to Texas A&M University, these particular insecticides are much more toxic to insects than they are to humans, due to the way that they attack their nervous systems. But one local farmer worries about the impact these chemicals could have on other insects, specifically bees, an essential pollinator.
The use of them have impacts on so many things in our environment. And I think if we're able to do this prevention of the use of pesticides on a larger scale with larger farms, we can make things better.
Aurora Shunk owns her own 1-acre farm in Sanborn, much smaller than a commercial farm, but feels she has found her own way to protect her crops pesticide-free.
We also create habitat around our growing areas that allow places for birds and beneficial insects to thrive. So if those birds and beneficial insects are in our area, they will come and they will actually eat the pests.
I reached out to the Environmental Protection Agency for their take on the future of these pesticides, but they said they do not comment on proposed legislation and that they have no information to share at this time. Steve Ammerman with the New York Farm Bureau said these pesticides were tested by the State Department of Environmental Conservation and were proven to be the safest option years ago.
I think it's just important to realize that DEC has a proper and rigorous pesticide review process. Look at these things accordingly and make proper decisions based on science.
The bill now heads to Governor Kathy Hochul. Derek Hyde, 7 News, Sanborn.